Morning everybody, I'm Frankie, your local Stockholm guide, and I'm going to be taking you on a journey with me today through what you can typically do on a day in January here in the city.
As long as you can show me a good time, I don't care.
It's very cold and very snowy, as you can tell. It's been snowing a lot for the last couple of days, so there's not a lot to do outdoors unless you're adventurous and you like the cold. This is my favorite thing to do right after snow angels. There's lots of people who go skiing during the season. So I just finished brunch with one of my friends, my new friends, Elchim, and she was very kind to let me, welcome me into her home as well. And we were just having some tea there. And that's typically what you do. You would have a fika with a friend or go for brunch. Especially when it's cold, it's really nice to be indoors and having a cup of tea and some fika. Yeah, so that's usually a thing you would do in January. If you don't have any friends, I suggest you go and hang out with one of the meetups. There's a lot of like nooning together meetups, sitting down for a coffee and a book or something like that. So I will put the link in the description box here. That's one of my main recommendations. And my next item on the itinerary for today is actually going to Fotografiska, one of my favorite museums in Stockholm, the photography museum. It's just around the corner over there where it's blurry. So I'm gonna take you guys there and we will enjoy some exhibitions together. So you see how like nice and fluffy this ground is with snow, and look at these guys. I feel like we need to do a snow angel first here. I can't believe I'm actually doing this. A snow angel. It's freezing. Look how beautiful. The snow angel. We have arrived at Fotografiska. So usually you have the program here at the entrance. This is one of the few museums that's open until 11 p.m. So definitely worth visiting at night, especially for the view that you have around us. I want to specifically come here for the space one, but probably by the time you get here it might be a different exhibition, but some of them are lasting until March or April, so going into the spring. So it's worth a visit. You can spend up to 2-3 hours here.
A few of one or several from several different.
I'm in space. Piloting my ship, you see. Just want to say it's also really cold in here, just like in space. Okay, no, not just like in space. It's not as cold, but it's colder than usual because I come here all the time, and I can sense that they cool down the room to really make you feel like you're in space. Can you see the pictures changing? So supposedly the AI can tell how old I am. So the AI recommends you... Okay, first of all of these questions are very philosophical, so it's like a guess that I like philosophy. If you were moving to a base on Mars and could only bring one thing, what would it be? Gosh, I don't know. Probably running water? Well, I mean, for someone with OCD, I really need water running. My paper recommendation by AI was to go and check Brookholm's Vallemoris. So I need to find where this is. Brookholm's. Oh yeah, this was the one I was showing you before. that changes image depending on where you are. Celestial and anatomical body of the earth through large-scale photography, moving images and sound projects. Cool, Brookholm. I like you. Ooh. I actually think being an astronaut must be really freaking scary. You're like always alone with your own thoughts all day long. That would be scary, right? You can't even go on a walk, a spacewalk all the time. Ooh, we got this AI over here.
From the earliest civilizations to the present day.
I approve, so just come on by and enjoy Fotografiska. You can spend a few hours here. They have lots of cool exhibitions at the moment, but my favorite has been the Space Odyssey. By the way, today's St. Knut's Day, so it's the Christmas tree plundering day in Sweden, and we put out all our Christmas trees in the middle of the neighborhood, so everybody puts them in one place, and that way they get picked up for collection. So you can find one of these points kind of all over your neighborhood, but this is the one close to mine. A lot of it gets turned into fuel, or I know sometimes they also put it back in the Baltic Sea, and it becomes like a habitat for little fish and stuff. So it's cute. I'm gonna show you one of the few locations in Stockholm that a lot of people don't go to, but it's probably the least busy or least crowded locations to go ice skating. A lot of people choose to go to Kungsträdgården because that's the only place they know and they can rent out skates. But I'm gonna show you another place, one close to Odenplan, this metro station here. So you just need to walk about 5 minutes and you're there. So from Odenplan, we go this way. So we are here. This is the park. So this is the ice skating rink I was mentioning in Vasaparken. You can always find information online on the website. It will tell you the operating hours. My favorite part here is that all the kids also come to skate. Whoa! And the kindergarten preschool class, you see them all there? They came here on purpose to go skating and practice skating. They have to be careful. Oh, they're so cute. So everybody brought their skates. The only problem with this ice skating rink is that they don't have skates for rental. Obviously, if you bring your own skates, you can just come and skate. It's free. Something else you can do is rent out or bring your own little sled, and you can go up a big hill like this one in the park and just make your way down. And then they have these padded walls here. If you go against this, you're not gonna hurt yourself. Since this is the coldest time of the year to be visiting Stockholm, obviously don't forget to check out our packing list video for my suggestions on what to wear if visiting Stockholm during the winter time. So make sure you check that out and stay warm this January. I'll see you around in Stockholm. Bye!